go. Now, I can't go in there. I'd get busted for that. But I can. This is the south entrance. Okay? But I can go over here. And as you can see, How you doing? How you doing? As you can see, they've excavated a large hunk of ground. I can't really go inside there because they will say, you know, don't do it, right? So what's the other thing you doing? It's interesting. Excuse me. How you doing? You see? And so there are lots of things up there. That's pretty cool. Alright you guys, it's OneManOneCamera. Today is October 23rd, about 5 in the evening. I just want to do a swing by past the Las Vegas Convention Center. Take a look at the construction. Just on a whim, came down here today. And remember, across from the convention center will be the Majestic Hotel. This will be a, what do you call it, a non-gaming hotel. I think they're heading more for the spa crowd, so we shall see what happens, all right? Let's get riding before we lose our sunlight. Check it out. This thing is coming along nicely. I mean, the roof looks sky high from here because we were just so close. As you recall, this is due to open up in January, open up before CES in 2021, and CES happens in January of 2021. Okay, let's take a look. As usual, we got our outhouses up there. You know, people gotta go, they gotta go. Now, 5 p.m. is the wrong time to be down here because you got office people just getting off of work and on the sidewalk. So it's 10 minutes too late. Such is life. See, and there's the sign for the Majestic Las Vegas Resort Spa Sky Suite. They have not started construction yet, and I don't know when they are scheduled or the price or cost. None of the good stuff. All right, let's keep on going. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. All right, so here we are. So check it out. You know, I just can't get back far enough to get a really good shot of the construction. But you know what? We're going to turn down Debbie Reynolds' Way and then come back up. So we're on Debbie Reynolds' Way, and this is the empty lot for the Majestic. This thing is huge. All right. So they have the crapola, more convention goers. Hang on a second. And the wind. Okay, you see they have the glass, they began installing some glass. I'm not sure when that happened, but it's there today. All right, and currently at the convention center there's an aviation convention going on. I wasn't invited. That's the way it goes. All right. So now here's the original. Here's the older part of the convention center, straight ahead. Now you notice there's the bridge, which they are working on, and it goes across. Yep, we're on Paradise. And there's that bridge again. All right. And there's the Drew standing there. And there is the West Gate, way off down the street. All right, let's ride. And there you have it. The LVCC expansion worth $935.1 million due to open up in 2021 or hopefully the end of 2020, just in time for CES, which starts in January 2021. All right, you guys, once again, I want to thank you all for joining me today. As usual, I'm your riding host, One Man, One Camera, the guy on the bicycle.